Hi, my name is Sylvie. I am a certified health coach and fitness trainer. I help women look great and feel great through fasting and exercise. Today's video is a HIIT workout for beginners. The most important thing you can do when you do a HIIT workout is make sure that you push yourself as much as you can during each 30-second blitz. And so I want you to be out of breath as you are performing your exercises. And I'm going to give you some beginner exercises, but also some variations to make them more difficult if you find that you're not struggling. The first exercise is a simple squat. So if that's difficult enough, keep doing that. If not, make it a squat jump. And go as fast as you can. Thirty-second break. Next exercise is a plank to squat. Again, if that doesn't make you out of breath, you can make it a burpee. Thirty-second break. Our next exercise is a commando. So you start on a low plank, lift up into the high plank position, back down. Try to alternate side. So if you are using your right hand first, left hand second, and then lower, and then use the left hand first after that. 30-second break. Sumo squat. Again, you have the option to make it a jump squat. High knees. Stay in plank, in and out. So bring your legs one at a time out and then back in. And you can make it a plank jack. Next, lunges. So that's your beginner option. Or jumping lunges. Next, butt kick. As fast as you can. Second to last exercise. So, push it. Mountain climber. Make sure you tighten your core really well. Bring your knees in fast. That's it for your HIIT workout for beginners. I hope you enjoyed it. Check the link in the description to get more details about each move, and see you next week.